you can clean your country. There are many ways that individuals and communities can work together to clean their country. Here are a few examples. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. One of the most effective ways to reduce waste and pollution is to reduce the amount of resources we use, reuse items when possible, and recycle as much as we can. Conserve energy and water. By using energy and water more efficiently, we can reduce pollution and help preserve natural resources. This can be done by turning off lights and appliances when not in use, taking shorter showers, and using energy-efficient appliances. Support clean energy. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower are a cleaner alternative to fossil fuels. By supporting clean energy, we can help reduce pollution and slow down climate change. Plant trees and care for wildlife. Trees and other vegetation absorb carbon dioxide and other pollutants, while wildlife plays an important role in maintaining a healthy ecosystem. Planting trees and protecting wildlife can help make the country cleaner and healthier. Educate yourself and others. Learning about the issues and how to take action is an important step in cleaning the country. By educating ourselves and others, we can raise awareness and inspire change. Get involved in local initiatives and campaigns. Many organizations and local governments are working to improve the environment and make their communities cleaner. Get involved with these initiatives and campaigns to make a difference in your country.